scared
Good
you.
about you.
Today we are going to be making banana cake. But instead we are
And
going
you're
to
going to
be
knock it
doing...
over in 3, 2, 1. No, I'm kidding. Do you have a bowl?
Yes, I'll go get that.
Are you sure? And now it's just me. La 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 la. Okay, she's going. Presenting
The bowl!
the bowl that we need. Alrighty, guys, this is
Got the whisk.
whisking. Okay, now what we are going to be making banana cake, but we're going to turn them into muffins.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. So, first thing you'll need is,
Can I do it?
yeah,
Well, obviously.
it has the ingredients on the back. We're not making it from scratch because, well, we don't
I'm too
have
lazy
the,
too.
yeah, and we don't have the ingredients to make it from scratch.
Yeah, we don't have the bananas. Do they have the icing? Oh, yeah.
Bananas and icing. We have a little chef over here, so she's taking reins of this video today. What goes in first?
So usually I like to mix the wet ingredients first.
Okay, what are the wet ingredients?
We need 2 eggs and
I thought it was Christmas, not Easter. Yeah.
wait, but don't we need eggs to make pudding?
Christmas pudding. Ooh. Maybe we should put antlers on them. Anyway, back to what we were doing.
Sorry, we got distracted.
Hey. Okay.
I'm very terrible at cracking eggs, as you can see. The reason why I'm doing this in a small bowl is just in case I forget any eggshells like I have by mistake.
You crack the other one. You know it's easier to get the eggshells out with the egg. True story. I'll show you.
I'm just missing that one.
Yeah. See? Take a piece of eggshell off. And go in and you get scoop it up. When the eggshells are break. Now I learnt that. Yep. I think it was 5-minute craft actually. 5-minute, what do you call it? BuzzFeed. Where's the other piece? Oop, there it is. I'm gonna crack the other one.
Okay.
Ew. Oh wow. Okay. I forgot what egg yolks feel like.
I'm a blind reindeer.
How can I always crack them when chickens are coming out? What's this bottle?
So that's for
The rubbish? No, what's it for?
that was for the eggshells.
Okay, now we need
2/3 of milk.
to wash our hands.
I just did. This don't say red. I wonder if this is going to come up with baking. Let me search up the word baking.
More than likely for hashtag baking. Click on the baking.
Yeah.
Now what do I need? To dip it in here?
After I pour in the mixing, because then we're going to dig it a
That's
little
not going to
hole.
fit in there.
In there.
Ah. I knew that.
Sure.
Merry Christmas. I'll do it.
It smells like bananas.
In pajamas. I'm not singing no copyright song. Hey. You ain't kidding. Now do a little darny. Or is that just with scones?
No, sometimes I do darn. So, yeah. And pour it in.
Do we need vanilla extract?
Nah, doesn't say it.
Okay.
Wait, we almost forgot the butter.
I'm gonna whisk it while you do the butter. Is it melted butter?
No, but I don't need to melt.
That's what I was saying. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Christmas
Holidays.
holidays.
For those who have finished school, I have not finished school, but today was our awards day, and we have to sit there and listen to people get their awards, which is very boring.
So we're baking cookies instead.
Cupcakes.
Come on with that butter. My arm's getting sore. Chop, 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 chop. Isn't that the... How much butter do you need, Liv?
3 tablespoons, I think. 3. Yep. I'm gonna correct.
Do you know how to count to 3 in a different language?
Hana do se.
Korean. No. Una, dula, toya.
Spanish.
Italian.
You're Italian. It smells so good.
I know, right? Okay, do your thing.
They gave me a spoon.
Alrighty guys, so have you preheated the oven?
Could you please?
No, he has not.
Sure. Yeah, see, I just did. Yeah.
And I also flew to Jupiter and stuff. Oh,
But shouldn't boys play?
why Jupiter to get more stupider?
Yeah.
Girls go to Mars to get...
It's mums go to Mars to get the big vase. And dads go to Spain to get a bigger brain.
Cool, that's not the one I heard. Wait, is it? Look how it looks like caramel. Does that not look like caramel?
Nothing, caramel.
Fun fact about me, I don't actually like caramel very much. I used to do that.
I have to lick the things.
You want to explain what things are? Because
The whiskey thingies that you put in the blender.
oh, saved. That's why I'm the mummy elf. Oh, we should make an elf shirt for you.
Oh, just got the shirt, sure. And yes, we are wearing we are
Matching
the same
outfits.
colour scheme.
Twinsies. Alright, go do that thing that you need to do with this. What? Oh my god.
Did you want a coffee while I'm here?
No, I do not. Thank you very much. So we're super excited for Christmas. We love Christmas. Gonna do some baking cookies. I keep on calling them cookies.
Cupcakes.
And what else do me and you make?
Oh, we used to make those Milo balls.
That's exactly what
Yum.
We'll make some of them later.
But we don't have any Milo.
No, but when I mean later, I mean another day. Don't mind me. Okay, I'm gonna...
Yeet.
We keep on... Where do you get that yeet from?
School.
Yep, this is apparently what not to do. Now what do?
We mix it
And then?
until it's very nice and soft.
And then?
You're only supposed to mix it for 10 minutes.
My arm even lasts 10 minutes. You didn't melt it properly. Look, there's things in it. She'll be coming around the night. I really gotta stop singing songs and stuff.
Because then she'll
Okay,
get
your turn. You know what? We should have done a chocolate one. So we have like banana on the bottom and chocolate on top.
I do have fudge.
Fudge.
Maybe we could also make that.
I love, what is it? Cherry rock fudge. Okay,
That's
well,
pretty much mixed.
no, it's not. See all the dots? Okay, we need to do what next, Liv?
We need to butter up the pan.
Do we need butter or can we just spray it?
Butter.
We have to.
Yes.
Okay, that's on you. Oh no, if you're using the cupcake tins, you don't need the butter. Because it will just come back out. Unless I'm on a stick pan.
Oh.
So get your little scoopy doopy. Scoopy doopy.
Scoopy Dooby.
really understood last night. I can understand. Can you do it clearer? Hello. Do it clearer. She's colour coordinating it. Oh, these are from my birthday. Uno, dos, tres. Hannah. Der. Flop. Open. No, I'm kidding. Oh, I have an idea.
No, you don't. Oh no.
We have no choc chips. That's annoying. Do we have choc chips up?
Yay. Color.
What colour?
Red, please. Maybe if you fill it and then I dye it.
Okay. Add more green. It's going to go in the oven, and then when we pipe it, we'll come back. So we'll see you then after they're cooked. Bye. Alrighty, guys. This is how our, what are they called? Cupcakes turned out. Banana cupcakes, and we have the rest of the batter in there making a cake. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the ding-a-ling bell, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Bye.
And a like. And a like.
Bye.
Bye.